So we're gonna be touring this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1957 square foot of house. Very nicely decorated, and we're gonna be starting in the living room area, which they have staged very nicely with white leather couches or cream or taupe or mauve or all of these colors that we have for white. But I'm just gonna stick to white leather couches paired with silver and glass coffee table and side table, and this lamp is so stylish. I quite like it. But let's turn our attention over to where we would be putting the TV, where we would have the entertainment center. I love this brick finish. It definitely adds a touch to it. Under here we would be putting the PlayStation and the different games, and if we're still using DVD players or soundbar or whatever it is, or just decoration. I love that they have put thought into it, and I've put the plugs for the TV up here rather than having to have it string all the way down to the bottom to plug in and have the cords all over the place. And so is the connection to the back of the TV or the internet up here if you choose to use that. So I love that they did that. And as I said, the brick is probably my favorite on both sides of the entertainment section, with this light coming down that just adds this oomph to it, makes it kind of feel like fire is there, but there's no fire because it's light, but you know what I mean, you get the gist. And I just love how wide and open the living room feels. There's a fan above that keeps the air flowing and keep you cool while you're inside. I love these arches that happens in the different entryways, and just the similar the arch that's in the entertainment area. Yeah, there's a lot of arches going on, and it definitely adds character to the house. We move over into this area, to the dining area. Very nice, and glass also. And what could be like a back porch area, you can easily open out and go outside. Over this section is also another favorite of mine, which is like this bar area section. So, you know, for those drinkers or non-drinkers, you could definitely store your alcoholic beverages or whatever beverages or whatever you choose to. You know, for those that are into crockery, figurines and things like that, it's definitely a nice place to store all your glasses, the antique ones and the not so antique ones, all those plates, all those memorable things that you have that you'd like to be on display but to still be in a safe space. Definitely this is that. And then, you know, you can show your rum and your wine and your thing and your thing and your thing. Or if you just want to put the kids juice over here too, that's fine. As we walk through the house, we look at the flooring and we can see there's vinyl flooring in the dining room area, particularly in the kitchen. But we were coming from the living room area earlier, and that was carpeted. So for these homes, you have the option to choose what type of floorings you want and what kind of fixtures you want inside of it. Over here is carpeted, and on this side, now we're heading over into the kitchen, it's not. There's vinyl flooring right through. All right, so we enter into the kitchen now, and there are so many favorites in this house that I like, and I have to point out, I especially love this big wide island, you know, with lots and lots of storage on this side. Lots of storage. There's drawer storage, there's cupboard storage, there's everything. The dark wood definitely brings off the kitchen. Storage, cannot complain about storage. And what I love about this especially is that it's soft close, so there'll be no slamming, you know, it takes its time and close so nicely. And it's right throughout. It's the same on this side. You know, it's soft close, you open, there's a lot of storage. There's 3 layers of storage here, and double door fridge freezer combo comes with the house when you purchase it. Ice maker and the works. So it's looking good, guys. So move over here to the double sink with the gooseneck faucet. which is my favorite. I love being able to just pull it out and psh, or psh. There's also this 5-burner electric stove with the vent above. And then we move over here to a microwave up top, an additional oven in the bottom, you know, just in case you want to be baking your chicken on the stove and you bake a cake over here, or vice versa. But 2 ovens, how cool is that? And then that really sums up the kitchen. So move on into this room now, which is the wash room. Lots of space, lots of storage, which I love always. In this little area here is, you know, a storage room where you could put all your towels and your sheets and whatnot. I love that there's a window in here, so ventilation is key, light is key, and then there's a connection for the washer dryer units. We move along to bedroom 1 of 3. And this bedroom is carpeted. And on the outside there's vinyl flooring. So it also has this closet area. It's very oddly shaped, but it's very workable. There are no poles inside, is it? So you have the option to put in, or you can request that they put in, and you customize it as you see fit. But there's definitely space to store. And we move along over to bedroom 2 of 3, which is very similar in the space and the sizing of the other. The layout is pretty much the same, 1 window, 1 closet, and it is also carpeted and light above. There are no fans in these bedrooms, by the way, but there's light in it. And we move right along on the other side of the house, which is where the master bedroom and bathroom is. So let's head over. We've passed back through. So, you know, if you're living with kids, you have the kids on one side and then the parents on the other side. Yeah, that's pretty much what it is. So we move on, we go through the living room, and then we enter into what would be considered to be the master bedroom. Very big. This is what a master should feel like. I love the spacing inside here, and I love the double windows. Lots of light. I love the way the ceiling is designed. There's a fan in this bedroom. This is the only bedroom of the 3 that I've seen a fan inside of. And we move on to this side where we have the master bathroom, which is also very big. It has lots of drawer storage, lots of cabinet storage, and the works. It has a different finish on the countertop than that of the kitchen. Kind of granite looking, but not granite. It has 2 double mirrors with the double lights and all of that, so you and your partner can be doing the same thing at the same time without interrupting each other. On this side, there is additional storage. As you can see, they have staged it with towels inside already, so you can choose to put towels or even toilet paper or decorative things to just make the space look good. Right, we move along to here that I love so much. This is the shower area. Listen, this shower can literally fit 5 people or even more. It's a lot of space, not saying that you should, but you have a lot of space to do whatever you need to do. I love how big it is. I'm loving the shower head. I love that it's glass, it's tiled on the inside. There is some storage space behind this door. You know, you can hang towels again, but you probably won't need to because you have that beautiful storage on that side. But whatever, maybe the linen closet, maybe the sheets. You never know. Or whatever it is. On this side, you have the toilet with a hanging rack above it, and of course you can customize your walls and decorate some more, which is what I would do. This is the closet area. It is big. There are some things being stored in here right now, but try to look beyond the things that are here and just imagine this space decked out with clothes upon clothes and shoes. So much potential. I can envision so many things in here that would make it functional and make it look good. I also love the fact that there's this window area above to bring in that natural light. In addition to the natural light, there's of course the artificial lighting, because there's light in the ceiling. Definitely some place worth thinking about or considering. The starting price is $221,500 US. As mentioned before, it's a 3-bed, 2-bathroom house, 1,957 square feet. The price, it's a starting price, so depending on what you want, you know, the price may go up or go down. Most likely go up because it's starting, and it doesn't include delivery and installation. So I'm super excited about this. I love touring these. Oh my God, you don't understand, my heart is full right now. I'm so happy to have shared this with you. I hope it has been helpful. If you're interested in getting anything like this, you can definitely check out the manufacturers, which is Clayton Homes. They have on their website or their number, or you know, just get Googling. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Rochielin, 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 with the vlogging. Rochielin, 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 a good thing, DIY thing, traveling, exploring, touring, a little ear thing, a little teaching, a be a fun thing, cause she not boring. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Watch every video, member say she not hype. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Watch every video, member say she not hype.
Hey, it's Rochielin. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Cause she not